Hello everyone, and welcome to today's dialogue on the impact of technology on physics research and experimentation. Technology has revolutionized many aspects of our lives, and physics research is no exception. In this dialogue, we'll explore how technology has changed the way physicists conduct experiments, collect and analyze data, and make new discoveries. Technology has changed so much in recent years. I wonder how it has affected physics research and experimentation.
That's a great question. Technology has had a huge impact on physics research and experimentation. For one thing, it's made it possible to do experiments and measurements that were previously impossible.
Can you give an example?
Sure. One example is the Large Hadron Collider, or LHC, which is the largest and most powerful particle accelerator in the world. It's used by physicists to study the smallest particles in the universe, such as the Higgs boson. Without the technology used to build and operate the LHC, we wouldn't be able to study these particles in the way we do today.
That's really amazing. What other ways has technology impacted physics research?
Well, another example is the use of advanced computer simulations. These simulations allow physicists to model complex physical systems, such as the behavior of materials under extreme conditions or the interactions of stars and galaxies. This helps researchers to better understand how these systems work and make predictions about their behavior.
I see. And how has technology changed the way physicists gather and analyze data?
Technology has made it possible to collect and analyze data on a scale that was previously unimaginable. For example, the use of high-speed cameras, telescopes, and detectors allows physicists to collect large amounts of data at a much faster rate than before. And advances in computer algorithms and data analysis tools have made it possible to analyze this data more quickly and accurately.
It sounds like technology has made a huge difference in the way physics research is conducted. But are there any downsides to relying on technology?
Yes, there are some downsides. For one thing, technology can be expensive, and not all research institutions have the funding to invest in the latest equipment and technology. Additionally, there's a risk that researchers can become too reliant on technology and lose sight of the underlying physical principles they're trying to study.
Those are some important points to consider. So overall, how do you think technology has impacted physics research and experimentation?
Overall, I think technology has had a tremendously positive impact on physics research and experimentation. It's opened up new avenues of exploration and made it possible to study the universe in ways we never could before. But it's important to remember that technology is just a tool, and it's still up to the researchers to ask the right questions and design experiments that will yield meaningful results.
Thank you for that insight. It's fascinating to see how technology and physics work together to expand our understanding of the universe.
You're welcome. It's an exciting time to be a physicist, and I can't wait to see what new discoveries and advancements technology will bring in the years to come.
And that concludes our dialogue on the impact of technology on physics research and experimentation. We've learned that technology has had a profound impact on the way physicists study the universe, from enabling new experimental techniques to helping researchers process and analyze data at a scale previously unimaginable. While there are certainly some downsides to relying on technology, such as its cost and potential to distract researchers from underlying physical principles, its benefits in advancing our understanding of the universe are clear. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you've enjoyed this discussion on the impact of technology on physics research and experimentation.